and I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink belt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Savvy, Stacy, Pinky, God. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me.
Hey guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm feeling great spirits today and I'm like, let me just vlog. My hair looks crazy. I need to go get my hair done, but I was gonna let this stop. I wasn't gonna let this stop me from doing my vlog. So yeah, so I ordered some BABYPHAT products and oh, I didn't do an intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Edney, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on so that every time I post you'll be notified. So don't mind my hair. This is my natural hair and I need to vlog. I'm in good spirits today and I said, let me vlog. I got so many unboxings to do. I have all this content I wrote down in my journal that my sis had got me, and I was feeling really down for some time and I said, I'm feeling a little better, so let me vlog today. I recently posted a vlog, so you could go visit the vlog before this. I'm gonna put it right here. And yeah, so it's 2024 and I need to stop beating myself up for things I can't control. And I know I'm doing the best I could do and I'm still like beating myself up when I shouldn't, but I do. But yeah, mental health is real, y'all. So I was feeling really low. I was feeling really low and I don't like that. So I am working on changing things, making my life better for me and my son. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna be doing a BABYPHAT unboxing. So these things I got for Christmas, but like I said, I wasn't in the mood to like open stuff, really do no unboxings and stuff like that. Really, I only did the denim Telfar vlog during that time, and then after that I haven't picked up the camera since. And then we had took Jace to the Home Depot workshop, and then that was it. So yeah, so this is the BABYPHAT unboxing. So let me go grab the scissors real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so y'all remember BABYPHAT, that little pink perfume? I had it when I was younger, and y'all, I need to get my hand on that. But I'm so happy Kimora Simmons and her daughters came back out with some stuff. So let's unbox it together. This is gonna be my first impressions with y'all.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch.
So here's the packages. I gotta block that out. Alright, so here's the stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at this BABYPHAT stuff. Oh. This makes me so happy. Shopping makes me so much happier. And fashion. Oh my gosh. Alright, so what are we starting with first? I don't even know. So these are all the stuff I got. I didn't feel like doing no makeup today, but I feel beautiful, so that's all that matters. So, alright. Alright, we're gonna do the tracksuit first. Alright, so this is it right here. And this is called the Velour jacket in pink. So I don't know if y'all... No, it's not focusing. Alright, so I don't know, y'all could see the BABYPHAT. Look, y'all can see the logo there. It's a really light pink. Okay, let's turn you this way. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I love the packaging. It's like a soft pink. I love this. So we're gonna unbox it together. And we're also going to try it on. So this is my Uncommon School shirt. I got from Jace. Some orientation I went to. So this is, oh, this fabric. Oh. What size did I even get? I got a large, so it's the large right there. So look at this. Oh my gosh. So it says BABYPHAT right there. It says large. What the tag say? It just says BABYPHAT. So, oh shit, I almost fell. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this on for y'all. This is so cute. Look at the details. Oh, I'm sorry. I love the cat. I love the gold detailing. For those of y'all who don't know, but I love pink, gold, and white. This is bomb right here. Bomb. Alright, so this is a large, so let's see. Oh, perfect. Nice and roomy. Now let me see if I can close you. Okay. She closes. Alright. I think Jay's coming up.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel.
Alright, so now we're gonna try the pants. It's only right. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the pants. What size? Oh, I think I should have got the pants in a medium. Look big. It looks really big. It looks really, really big. So this is how it looks up close. It has drawstring here. You got the cats all over. This feels so high quality. It's in a size large. So I'm gonna try that on for y'all real quick. Be right back. Alright, so if it's very big, I should have gotten a medium. This is how it looks from the back. And it's very long. Alright, so now we're gonna try the shirt. They are extremely long, so I would recommend getting your regular size. And I'm typically a medium in bottoms. So, but I'm still gonna keep them. I'm just gonna have to fold it. Alright, so this is how this outfit looks. Very cute. So yeah, now we're gonna try the shirt now. So I should have tried this first, but this is the ladies tee, heather gray, and size large. So get a little close up. Oh, this is a crop top. This looks small. So, alright, so let me put this on. Alright guys, so this is definitely like a crop top. It shows a little belly. I'm not gonna show my belly, but actually you might see it a little bit there. But yes, this is my mommy marks. So what? And this is a large. It fits perfect for me. As you guys know, I am very busty. So this is the back. This is the back again. I have the tippy toe because I'm so short. But yes, this is cute. Yeah. So let me put the sweater on with it so I could get the whole look together. Because this is actually how I will probably wear it. So yeah, it's giving. It is giving. Like how Bad Nana say. Love her. So yeah. Alright, so yes, let me close it up for y'all a little bit. I love it. Let me bring it down a little bit for y'all so y'all can see. Alright, so let's get into the next two pieces. So this is the other outfit that I ended up getting. So I'm gonna do it. This is the bottom. This is the skirt, and this is the top. So this is in large. I don't even know which one this is. It says ladies printed LS top. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know. But this is the top. And this is the skirt. And let me just open it for y'all. Oh, this is cute. This is how it looks. It's long sleeve. I love the print. Let's get into the print. Size large. I love the material. This is very high quality. You see the cats? I love this. So cute. So, okay. So that's the top, and this is the skirt. Let me back up. So this is the skirt. I just dropped something. And oops. Alright, so the skirt, I ended up getting it in a large. Oh, this is a mini skirt. I could have got it in a medium though. This is the skirt. This is real mini. Look at that. Real mini. I can wear this as a tube top. So I'm gonna try it on for you. So I'm gonna try the top and the skirt on for y'all. So Alright guys, so this is the outfit. Ooh, this is real mini, y'all. Guys, so this is the outfit. I just wish it was a little tighter. It is definitely very short. Yeah, I would take it in just a little bit. If I had a medium, it probably would be a little tighter. Don't mind this. This is for my next video right after this. But this is super cute. Super cute. Let me bring it up a little bit more. Head on over to babyphat.com to get your outfits before they sell out. Y'all, I love how true to size and high quality the clothes are. And yes, let's take it back to the 90s. Y'all see my cart have 3 items in it, so stay tuned for my next vlog. Alright guys, so comment down below what you think of this outfit. I would style this outfit with some thigh-high boots because it's really short, and a little small bag, like a mini Telfar or like a clutch type. Yeah, that's probably what I would style it with. This is cute for date night, going out with your girls. This is real cute. But this is the bag. This is very stretchy material, and yeah, super cute. Alright, yeah, so this is the end of this unboxing and try on haul for my BABYPHAT products. So don't forget to give this video a 5 thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below which outfit you liked. Did you like this one, or did you like the shirt with the sweatsuit? So yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Under you, I can lose when I'm with you. How can us do